Ah.
Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
You know what? I think we finally gonna go fly this. Yeah. Not you. Yep. I think I'm gonna go fly this. Oh, P-47 Thunderbolt. And P-51D Mustang. Oh, we got a bag of goodies. Bag of plans. What up, y'all? Finally getting to fly the P-47 Thunderbolt. If y'all noticed, I got planes that were flown by the Tuskegee Airmen. You can probably tell why. But we're gonna see how this one flies. I've already flown the Mustang quite a bit, so we know how that is. Let me quit y'all yapping and talking and walking. Let me stop right here. Throw this on my noggin. Y'all like these shades? These are my girlfriend's. Hold on here. Hold on. We're gonna edit that out. And hopefully I got the camera angle set so y'all can actually see. If not, well, sucks. Alright, Thunderbolt's transmitter. And I think I left the batteries. I did. Damn it. I left my batteries. Alright, be right back. Put them on. Just because on rough surfaces like this, they have a tendency to, exactly. Oh, there we go. A little bit, there we go. Yeah, this one's a little different than the Mustang. There we go. See, this one does not have good range. What the hell? See? As soon as it starts to fly, it's finna get ran over. Yeah, this one's going back because as soon as you start to fly, it just cuts out. That's not good. How the hell that didn't get ran over? But this transmitter is definitely defective, because that's like, you get about 3 feet of distance and I'm gone. That's not good for an airplane or any RC toy. Yes, I said toy. Yo, kiss my ass. Oh, it did get ran over. So I'm gonna send this one back to Amazon anyway. Well, at least one of them works. That sucks that other one, that transmitter's like that, so I'm definitely sending that back. I'm pretty sure you don't need a packaging or anything for it, so it's definitely going back to that Amazon seller. It got ran over because of them. You know, it's a defective ass transmitter. I'm actually upset about that. I've been waiting to fly that thing for a week. And then that's what happens. See, I thought I was messing up, thought I had bad batteries. Nope, defective transmitter. So when you put it on intermediate though with the P-51, you can do them loops without pressing the stunt button. Oh, check it out, y'all. So we got that P-47 Thunderbolt replaced. Because last time we came out here, I flew like maybe from right over yonder to, I made a U-turn and the damn thing lost, it lost connection. Defective transmitter. We had to land it in the street and it got ran over. It is what it is. So we're gonna try this one out real quick. I say this is probably about far enough. Right about, no, we're gonna go farther because if this one's defective, I want to have more clearance. But we actually tested this one a little bit. Turned it on, walked to the other end of the condo to see if I actually lost connection. The old one loses connection about halfway out of the room, out of the living room. This one, we actually made it to the bathroom and everything. All right, this is probably far enough. So hold on, we're gonna put this down, throw this on my noggin. Yo, I gotta shave. People can see my hairline or what's left of it. Damn near got the George Jefferson. All right, so this is the new one. We got a pocket full of batteries. I ain't even gonna worry about the numbers on them. And we're gonna see if I can get this in here smooth. One try here, let's see. There we go. All right, that was easier than the first one. And it's on beginner. It's armed. There we go. That's more better. I should have put some shades on. Actually, you know what? I got some in my pocket. So real quick. So we got some flying range. Let's go ahead and bring it down. Throw these shades on. There we go, that's more better. Okay, all right, so now that we're getting some flight, I actually kind of like this. This is definitely different from the Mustang, the P-51 and the Spitfire. It feels about as acrobatic as the P-51. A little faster, I think. Yeah, it doesn't have very good range though. So that 4 beeps, that's the range. I don't like that. we're just gonna finish this battery. I know I got plenty of them. We're just gonna finish this one. I got a couple more things I need to do today, but I wanted to fly this. Woo! There we go. Oh, those barrel rolls are tight. I know y'all can't see that in the camera going right into the sun, but I can, so. Yeah, this thing's definitely faster than the P-51D, the Mustang. It feels like kind of a cross between the Spitfire and the Mustang, in all honesty. Okay, I like it. I do like it. And I think that's the battery. No, it feels all right. Okay, I do like this one. All right. We'll bring this one back down. This thing hauls ass though. Just missed it. I wasn't gonna jump for it. I ain't got the legs to that for that today. Been stomping around in boots, irrigating at the ranch all week, still boxing and coaching. Man, y'all, I'm tired. You know what? I think that's good for the day. I think one battery is good enough. I'm gonna go run a couple errands, and the new Spider-Man game came out, so I got some things to play. Got some stuff to do. So P-47 Thunderbolt, now that I have one that actually works, I like it. I do like this thing. It's pretty, it's definitely feels like it's my fastest between the three planes that I have. It's as acrobatic, I would say, as the Mustang, but I don't know, it's faster than the Spitfire even, so I don't know, they're just different. I like it a lot. Okay, bye.